Okay, next off to the bench will be these. I guess some of them are AFX, some of them are I don't know. Let me go ahead and get them over to the bench. We'll see what we got. Just pull them out of the little case that they're in. Straight away, those chargers, yeah, those are chargers right there on the left there. I think they're just looking at them overall in the best shape that we got. That I don't know what those are. I know that's a vet over there, but look at the wing right there. That's kind of melted or something, and I'm not too sure who makes these, but we'll put them against a transform and see what we got. Get the two over here. There's one in a Ziploc bag. I hesitate to even fuss with that. It looks like, again, somebody may have stepped on it, and the blue one, just a shell, and it looks like we have a spare part of some type of back axle there. Okay, let me go ahead and put them on the transformer, see what we get. Boy, the orange one and the black one up front, they sound like they scream. The vet, nothing, absolutely nothing. I don't know what the hell kind of car that is. I'm so sorry about that, guys. Is it a Porsche? Porsche? I'm sorry, I just don't know what it is. It ran, and it sounded like it needed oil, and I had to go grab my oil and oil it. It just like it was screaming for oil. Both of I guess they are Chargers. They didn't run. One of them's missing some pickups and things like that. They're missing tires, shoes, things like that. I don't know if I've got the parts anymore to put these back together. I'm going to look through my parts. If I can dress them up and make them look better than they are, I'll go ahead and give them a shot. These two, I'm not going to fuss with. Maybe take the shell off and oil them, but that's about it. I'll look at the chassis and see if I can do anything further. All right, just a sec. Okay, just started getting into them, and I know they're AFX, but it looks like they're Magnatraction. Looks like they're Magnatraction, and Magnatraction, as you know, has the brushes with the springs and whatnot. These two over here, I just popped one of the bodies off the chassis, and they're LifeLike. I had no idea what they are, but they're LifeLike. Pardon me. So it looks like, other than a good cleaning, looks like what do I need? Back tires there, front tires there, front and back there, front and back there. I just grabbed my parts. It's been such a long time since I've had them out. I don't know off the top of my head. I know I got a lot of T-Jet stuff, but I'll look through my tires and whatnot. I'll see if I've got any front tires for the AFX or the Magnatraction as well. I've got some parts over here. I just don't know, so I'll be looking through them, and I'll do another update as I get to finish the chassis. But I'll tell you what, let me start with at least one or two of them, get them restored. I might save the other two to let whoever wants to restore them. But that's what we got right now, and I'll give you an update here in just a bit. Hey, listen, I just started getting into one of the chassis, and I don't have enough spare parts like the Magnatraction shoes and whatnot, the little springs that go on the brushes. I don't have that stuff. I've got a lot of T-Jet parts. That's about it. So these are going to go up on eBay as is. Do note that most of these are in good shape. I think the only one isn't is I don't know if that's a Porsche. That isn't in good shape. The one back here, the blue one, pretty good shape. But the one in the bag, again, that looks like somebody's crushed it or something. So if you like project cars, take advantage of these guys. I'm going to put them up on eBay. Each one's going to need a little TLC. All right, guys, have fun slot carring.